In celebration of Women's Month, Insular Life once again honors outstanding female leaders who are breaking barriers. Kilalanin ang mga bumida sa In Life Sheroes Awards sa agenda report ni Che Sulit.
Courage, leadership, at impact. Ito ang mga katangiang taglay ng mga kinikilalang Shero. Mula 11 million lives noong nakaraang taon, Filipino life insurer In Life touched as many as 16 million stories sa pamamagitan ng Sheroes movement. Kasabay ng pagdaraos ng National Women's Month, ipinagdiwang nitong March 12 ang ikapitong taon ng In Life Sheroes.
But Sheroes has never been just about numbers. It has always been about purpose. We wanted women to reclaim their voices and ensure those voices are heard.
Ayon kay In Life Executive Chairperson Nina Aguas, access sa financial literacy, healthcare, business capital at dagdag na oportunidad ang ipinagkakaloob ng In Life Sheroes para sa kababaihan. Pero ang pinakamahalaga raw sa lahat, ang matunto ng bawat babaeng Pilipino ang confidence sa kanyang sarili.
Their stories do more than move us. They mobilize us. They remind us that empowerment is not abstract. It is practical, it is tangible. It happens in classrooms and communities and in the everyday courage of women.
Idinaos din ang ikalawang In Life Sheroes Awards kung saan binigyang pugay ang kababaihang nagtulak ng advocacy-led movements sa edukasyon, negosyo at community work. Kabilang dito si Mina Ballesteros, isang holistic rural education advocate, Sherilyn Siciliano, founder ng social enterprise at well-being na kampiyon ng sustainability at upcycling, at ang Foundation for Professional Training Incorporated na layong ipromote ang lifelong development ng kababaihan gamit ang vocational education. Ani Aguas, nagsisilbi silang ehemplo ng epektibong pamumuno. Layon din ng In Life na magbigay ng serbisyo sa mas marami pang komunidad.
We wanted to reach out to the grassroots because if we are able to empower the grassroots, I think it will be more significant and meaningful.
It's all about breaking the barriers. Yan ang mensaheng hatid ng In Life Sheroes. Pero hindi ito magagawa ng mag-isa. Makakamit ang tagumpay ng kababaihan sa kolektibong pagsasama. Para sa agenda, Che Sulit, Billionaire News Channel.